voice over na sad ko guys, late na ni siyang upload guys, di na gyud unta ko mula kay grabe na gyud ako nila agi ani nga week kay lagyagan pa yung nag-araw pa gyud ang prosperidad. Pero kay tungod ni Elias guys, grabe gyud kayo ka hakot tao gyud. Mutuo na gyud ko barang, grabe gyud. Grabe daghan tao, sobra ka uot, sobra tungod ni Elias gyud. First time na ko makita gingan dito sa nalyagan grabe artista gyud nga ka uot nga tao.
She is known as the singing guapa ng Cebu. A voice that moves, a beauty that captivates, and a spirit that inspires. And now she's about to sing on her biggest role yet, starring in the latest episode of our country's longest running drama anthology, Maalaala Mo Kaya, where she brings to life at the heartfelt and inspiring story of social media darling, Lenny Aicardo. Let's give a round of applause to the talented, beautiful, and unstoppable Geisha Montenola!
Kani guys, Elias nang ginoy mao ra gyud among tuyo dire. Wala gyud lain gyud kayo si Elias ra gyud.
Ayaw gabi prosperidad! Ayaw gabi! Thank you so much again for inviting us here. Come on. At ready na mo makita si Elias. Peace up. Unya pagkawan na kong gako sa inwa dunggabong tika. Unta pagpa. Here's one of the next song. I can sound the eyes and that's your problem. Been crying forever. The stars and the sky don't mean nothing to you. There are
Okay, nahuman naman ang concert ni Elias guys. So maghinahinay na pud mig uli sa among paingnan kay layo ay para ba na yung among ulian. Launa na iskadlaon ba. Wala naman ilang concert so panguli na mi. Grabe nga laag. Guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe.